Look at that building, it's beautiful.
Yes, let's walk toward the main square.
Can we stop for a moment? I want to take a picture.
Wow, this place looks amazing. I should get a picture of this building.
Mom? Dad? Where did they go? Grand Central Hotel. I remember this name, but I don't know how to get there.
Excuse me, sir. Could you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
I'm trying to get back to my hotel.
Which hotel are you staying at?
Grand Central Hotel.
It's not far from here. Walk straight ahead for about 2 blocks.
Straight ahead for 2 blocks? Straight ahead for 2 blocks. What should I do after 2 blocks?
You'll see a large fountain on your left.
Okay, a fountain on the left.
Then you'll turn right. Turn right after the fountain. Then keep walking for about 5 minutes.
And the hotel will be there?
Yes, you'll see it on the right.
Is there anything I should look for?
Yes, the hotel has a blue sign above the entrance.
A blue sign. Got it. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
I will. Thank you.
Two blocks straight ahead. Then I should see the fountain.
There it is. The fountain is on my left. Turn right after the fountain. Okay, this should be the right street. I've been walking for a few minutes. I hope I'm still going the right way. Excuse me, could I ask you something? Sure, what are you looking for? Grand Central Hotel. Oh, it's just down this way. Yes, I know it, you're actually very close. Really? That's a relief. Keep walking until you reach the traffic lights. The traffic lights. And that building looks familiar. Grand Central Hotel! I finally found it! Dad!
Ethan, there you are.
Ethan, we were so worried about you. I'm sorry. I stopped to take a picture, and I lost sight of you.
How did you manage to find the hotel?
I asked someone for directions, then I followed the landmarks. That was a smart decision. Next time, I'll stay close to you.
That sounds like a good plan.
And remember, asking for help is nothing to be embarrassed about. I'll remember that.